Hello students. So in chapter Understanding Rivers, till now we have discussed about the different parts of rivers. We have seen the important uses of rivers, right? We have seen how the different parts of river are differentiated, what is the origin, source, right? So we have discussed all these things. Today we are going to see the application part in which river pollution. So pollution word, you know it, that what is pollution, right? The contamination of some things is pollution, right? The and so what is river pollution? When the river is getting contaminated or river is unhealthy, right? Different wastes are being put into it, it gets polluted, it is not good. That is the river pollution. So unfortunately nowadays rivers are being polluted. Here are some reasons. Now they have given you some reasons, students. The first reason, waste from farms, cities and factories is dumped in rivers. So all the waste from farms, cities and even from factories, all are put into the rivers. They are dumped into the rivers, which pollutes the rivers, right? Second is, people throw plastic into rivers. Fish, birds and other creatures eat this plastic and they die. So this is very bad. Third is, after various festivals, people immerse idols of gods and goddess into rivers. Very often the paint used on this idol poisons underwater creatures. So what happens during Ganpati celebration or Navratri celebration, right? What people do? The idols of the god, the Ganpati, the Murti of Ganpati or the goddess, what they do? They put it into the water. So all the color which all the oil paint which that Lord Ganesha's idol have, or the color which that idol have, it gets mixed into the water, and which is very harmful. It is poisonous for the creatures, for the animals which live in water, right? So this is also very bad thing. Next, they have given you, often dead animals are also dumped in rivers. So many a times what happen? Dead animals, for example, if some cat or dog or any other street animals, if they die, what they do, they put it into the water. So it is also very harmful for everybody. So this is also bad thing. So in this way, because of these activities, our river water is getting polluted. So the water from polluted rivers can cause many diseases. The Ganga is one of the most polluted rivers in India. So students, here they have given you ways to reduce river pollution. So how you can reduce the river pollution? हम river pollution को कम कैसे कर सकते हैं? So if you can see, look at the pictures of polluted rivers. Plan a presentation in groups of 5 to find ways by which rivers can be kept clean. Make sure the ways can be used by common people. Now students, if you see the pictures which they have given here, see how the garbage, all the waste part is put into the rivers. See all the factory waste, all this. In the second picture, see, you can see the water has been polluted. So in each picture you can see how much garbage and waste particle is been put into the rivers. It has been settled at one place, and which is very harmful for us. So for this, now you as a student, you have to think different ways. So you will think what we can do to reduce this pollution. There are n number of ways. So आज का आपका टास्क यही है कि आपको बैठ के एक बुक में ऐसी लिस्ट बनानी है कि आप ऐसे क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हो जिससे ये रिवर पोल्यूशन कम हो जाए, because of which we can reduce this river pollution. So you will point out those things in your notebook. Okay students, there is one amazing fact given over here. Given below are some important rivers of the world. So river Nile in Africa, river Yangtze in Asia, river Amazon in South America, and river Danube in Europe. So the river Nile is around 6,690 kilometer long. So which is the longest river? Nile is the longest river. So it is longer than the distance between Kashmir in the north and Kanyakumari in the south of India. So you know the north and south points of India, right? So starting from Kashmir to ending to Kanyakumari, usse bhi badi ye Nile river hai. So it is very longer, right? So students, I hope you have understood this lesson, understanding river.